brands, because they take the most essential beauty devices and make it super affordable and effective. Check this out. This is a rechargeable ear and nose hair trimmer. You get the duo. It's under $30 for both, so it's about $15 a piece. No pulling, no tugging.
Nope.
They don't hurt. And you were a big part of why this design is the way that
Well,
it
here's
is.
the thing. I went to the PopSonic team and I said, listen, I love the nose trimmers and the ear trimmers that you bring us, but can we get a small one that I can throw in a travel bag that I can keep at my desk at work? Because that's when
you notice it.
That's when you notice it.
Well, let's
You're
just
like,
be
wait,
honest.
I didn't know that was there.
You didn't notice. See, no. Because
No.
it's always, no, it's after you blow your nose or something like that, and then you
I'm telling you.
realize, oh
And
my
it's
gosh,
powerful.
the hairs. Okay, so let me show you the colors.
Wait, do you hear it? Wait, that was so
That was
mean.
loud.
That was so mean. Courtney Morris, come out here.
Here, come on in,
She
Courtney.
literally from over there goes, whoa.
You know I love you. I love you.
It was
You
an
know,
audible,
That was like a loving oh, don't
Listen.
you think?
Well, hey,
Listen.
just wait. I haven't put
wait.
mine in yet.
You hear it? It's satisfying.
Maybe
It's
you
so
should buy
satisfying.
this.
Listen,
I'm just
you
gonna
know
say-
it's working.
Black floral.
Yeah. Yes.
We also have the duo in the lavender of our
You get
ear and
two.
nose trimmer.
Yes.
The pink marble. And then here is the gray. You know what I noticed though? You're getting in there.
I'm getting in there.
But there's no wincing.
Listen,
Like your
no.
eyes aren't watering.
No.
It's not
No.
Well, you know why?
poking.
Because it's powerful. This is the most powerful nose trimmer.
It is the most powerful nose trimmer. It's brand new. Alberti helped us design it. So it not only is the most powerful, it's also the smallest. And the reason it's the most powerful, it's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So those stubborn hairs in the nose and the ear are really coarse and hard to get.
Yeah.
You need the extra
Yeah.
power for that. And I'm not really good at hiding things on my face. So if this were hurting me, I would not
yeah.
be able to fake it.
yeah.
This is just, we designed this to just go in, get those hairs without hurting you, but it cleans up everything.
And
Yeah.
it doesn't tickle. And I want to
No.
show you this, right? So if you're wondering, like, why is it angled like this? Well, because it actually then goes in this part of the
Yes.
nose.
That's
no
where they
other
hide.
nose trimmer gets in there. And I know we're on national television, and I really don't care.
Yeah.
I'm just going to show you. I'm
Listen,
just
you gotta
putting that
do it.
right in there.
But that's where they hide. And the
then
ones
also
that
in
are
your
just
ear.
straight up and down can't get into all the angles.
It
Right.
feels so good.
It feels good, doesn't it? That was
Do you
the
hear
first
it? Getting
I do
everything?
hear it, but that was the first thing I said when I put it in my ear for the first time. Like,
It's awesome.
oh my gosh, it feels good. It has
yeah.
that gentle vibration from the sonic technology,
can get
but
all
it
those
doesn't
little-
hurt.
Like, I don't even have to take my ears out. I mean,
No.
I don't have ear hair.
Yeah.
Totally do. And I'll see it on my husband, and he'll even say, oh gosh, I didn't realize. And sometimes it's even the little hair on a lobe. You
Yes.
can easily take care of it, or on a knuckle. You're just need to gonna pick your color, because for $29.98, it's brand new. Listen, these should be $80. These are $40 technologies a piece that you get for under $30, less than the price of one. You get two and the charging cord. Black floral. We have it in lavender, pink marble, and then you also have the gray. You're gonna keep one in your
So
bathroom
cute.
at home, one on the go. And then Courtney, they do come
Look, I mean, the box is so cute.
Yeah.
And they come individually boxed. So if you're getting a set and you want to keep one and gift one, or you want to keep two, gift two, this is what they all look like. They're all going to correspond to that color.
Listen,
They're all really fun. You can't go wrong. Just pick
Easter's
the color
right
that
around the
matches your
corner.
mood. Oh
Easter's
yeah,
right around
great
the
for a
corner.
little
great
Easter
for a little
basket.
Easter
Yeah.
basket. My father, whenever, like, my mother will say to him, like, oh, his name is Mike, but she calls him she goes, you might have a nose hair over here. He goes, it's your job to tell me about this before
See?
we leave for church.
well, then you have it in your bag.
Now
you
he's
have
ready
it
to
in
go.
your pocket.
I mean, look, it's
In
the
the car.
size of my palm.
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
It's smaller.
Smallest one we've made, but the most powerful. And then right here is where you plug in that
use
charging
that.
cord that we give you. So you're getting the charging cord. You're also getting the brush, and then you're getting the cap. This protects it. And then I'm able to turn it on with this button right here. I want to show you. I can put my finger right on this. Nothing hurts because the blades are inset in this trimmer head. So it's on. I'm able to hold my finger there. And then that's it. Power on, power off. Super cute, super easy, and then feels good. Like, it feels good. It's long
And you
enough
know
to fit
it's
in there.
working. Look at this.
I know, and you can hear that crunch right away.
There's some, mine was
goes
not
bloop.
nearly as crunchy, just for the record,
Yes, yours is less crunchy.
as the other component of the A-team.
Yeah.
No, not naming names, no. But hey, this is one of those items we all need. It's a personal care item, just like you use a toothbrush.
Yep.
You need an ear and nose trimmer. You've got to get the best brand, PopSonic, and one of the best deals. So this one's black floral. There's only 1,700 and it's brand new today. If you want to get the lavender, there's only 1,500 to go around. Pink marble, there's 1,400. And then in the gray, this one's our most popular. There's 900. If I was buying for one for me, one for my spouse, I'd get the gray. So I
Yes.
totally get it. That's why it's really popular. If you want that gray, Please do not wait. What's the care? I mean, I charge it up and it's ready to go.
Yeah, you charge it up, it's ready to go. The green light will come on when it's fully charged. You can use it. You can use it for, I mean, it almost has like a full 60 minutes of use, so you're not using this very long.
You're using it for like a minute
Yeah,
each
a minute
time.
or two at a time. So aside from those ear hairs and the nose hairs, if you have any stubborn chin hairs or on the neck or on the knuckle or on the back, because of this power, it will zap that off immediately.
Yeah.
And then you either clean it with the brush that we give you, just, you know, cleaning off the tip, get those excess hairs off, or you just wipe it down with an alcohol pad and that's it. And I love that this charge lasts so long because you're able to keep it in the car, you're able to keep it in your gym bag, in your purse. Maybe you have one at the office like Alberti wanted for his dressing room here, or you keep it in your vanity at home. I mean, there's so many. Look, you can even get those little,
trim up some of my sideburns.
and it's so precise that you're not gonna mess up the hair.
And you wanna clean that up a
Yes.
little bit, or you get the hair that comes
Oh, I do. I get the hair
down
that comes from the
here.
sideburns right down just
you
where
can
you're
clean
going.
that up all in one. That's all in one tool. Normally you might have multiple different tools. This is why PopSonic comes to the rescue. It's who they are as a brand, is bringing us those really effective beauty tools that combine multiple needs in one. Just like we all have a toothbrush, you need an ear and nose hair trimmer.
Absolutely.
Especially
You need an
as
arsenal.
especially as we age,
Yes.
right? That's when you see it the most. And sometimes it's after you blow your nose that you realize, oh gosh, it's catching, because the hair there is catching everything. If you remove the hair, then you're not gonna have any of those whoa moments. Okay, so black floral is one duo. You're gonna get two of the same colors. We have the lavender, we have the pink marble, and then we also have the gray. You get your charging cord, you get the cleaning brush, and they each come individually boxed. And I love too that they're a little feminine, because originally on the market these were very
So
like,
that is, yes,
they felt
very like man-centered,
yeah,
right? And we
it's
all
like
have
I
hair.
have nose hair
Yeah,
too.
we all have hair, so you know now you can do it in a fun way.
Yeah, $1,500 now spoken for. Under $30 gets you both. Put in your cart and check out. It's a 688051. Now let's say you have a power outage and you really need to trim your nose hairs.
Yes, now you have something else to
How
help
can I
keep it charged.
charge my PopSonic?
Exactly.
All right, we're gonna take a look at our today's special value, but let's check in first with Rachel Ellis. Check this out.